Simple celebration para sa Family Day 2024 dito sa Canada. Pati na rin celebration ng 1 year sa pagdating ng parents ko dito.
Hello! Happy Family Day!
How can I?
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Welcome to our vlog.
Paglabas ko dito mga bossing, nakita ko lang na may piniprepare.
What's this?
Isang tanong ko lang, medyo natamimi si Mrs. Takot na takot at pinakita ko na yung ginagawa niya. Ayun, meron pala silang piniprepare na mga lobster at crabs para to sa celebration ng Family Day at saka 1 year anniversary ng parents ko dito sa Canada. Bibiglaan na namang paghahanda mga boss kasi plano namin pumunta sa labas kaso sobrang lamig kaya inisip namin na dito na lang muna. Especially yung parents namin ayaw lumabas pag sobrang malamig. To si Papa mga boss, so nag-1 year na sa Canada sa araw na to. Naalagaan yung apo niyang si Zion James. At kung magtatanong kayo kung ano ang entry ng parents ko dito sa Canada, currently they're holding a super visa mga boss. So in the next coming videos natin, papakita ko kung paano sila nakarating dito sa Canada. For now, balik muna tayo sa ginagawa natin kasi hindi pa ready ang mga foods para sa celebration na to. Pangalawang labas natin medyo okay na at now i-prepare na yung lobster at crabs. Tapos na siyang ma-steam at saka piniprepare na lang yung ibang foods. Tingnan nyo naman ang lalaki at ang tataba ng mga ito.
Gago!
Dito tuloy pa rin yung pagpiprepare ni wifey natin sa mga seafoods na to. Papakita ko lang. Maya-maya dumating na ang kumare natin na si Maring Joliet mga boss.
Kita mo yan? Cavite at taga Cavite to. Tandaan nyo to, ito yung mayaman dun. Hold upin nyo pag nakita sa Pinas.
Maya-maya dumating na si Idol Romel Buen mga bossing, pasayaw-sayaw pa. Dumating din si Jonah at asawa niyang si Pai J. At dito pinapakita nila yung sign nila sa fraternity nilang Opa-Opa. Ayun, pinapakita niya yung mga sign nila. At ready na ang mga foods mga bossing. Ito nagbo-budol fight tayo or sikat na sikat ang budol fight sa Pinas mga boss. Sa isang table nakalatag lahat ng mga pagkain mga boss. Ulam, rice, meron itong lobster, shrimp, munggo mga bossing. At marami pang iba.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Welcome to our vlog.
Hello! Happy Family Day!
How can I?
Thank you!
Another celebration pala tong araw na to mga bossing kasi itong tropa nating si Camille pumasa sa exam niya for Power Engineer Class 1 at sana magtuloy-tuloy kaya meron siyang ipapasalamat ngayon, siya ang magpipray.
Dear Lord, thank you so much po for the food in front and thank you po sa pinagsa-celebrate po namin. Naka 1 year na po sila tita-tito.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be. I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain.